Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make and preserve my most used and most reliable ingredients. I believe this video will be helpful for those who love to add liquid stock as an ingredient to almost all their cooking, just like myself. So let's get started. In this video, I'll be using beef and chicken. I find this method of seasoning the beef and chicken a lot easier. I usually put all the ingredients into a blender and blend until well incorporated. So with this method, I do not have to think of cutting onions, which eliminates onion tears. I love to add different herbs and spices. They are full of flavor and healthy. The type and quantity of seasoning to use is entirely up to you. It can always be customized to your own taste. If the liquid stock is going to be used up within 1 to 2 weeks, it can be refrigerated. Otherwise, it is best to freeze it if it would not be used up within that time frame, because it tends to go off after a few weeks in the fridge. Portion the liquid stock to your preferred quantity. I usually use ice cube trays and ice ball trays because it gives a rough idea of the measurement of the liquid stock, which enables me to take out just what I need each time I am ready to use it to cook. So I don't have to worry about defrosting a whole bowl of liquid stock and then defreezing it. However, plastic bowls, nylon bags, resealable bags, muffin tray can also be used. I must tell you, liquid stock adds a unique flavor to my cooking. Frozen liquid stock can be used when cooking stew, soup, jollof rice, vegetable stew, fried rice, and the list goes on. I want to say a big thank you to all those who have clicked on the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button so you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share the video with your loved ones, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.